So, Game Pig, what do you want to do today? I don't know. I've been here for the next 13 years. And now I'm history. You can only buy me $80 these days. You can't even find me. Oh, and my crown's damaged. So, had you know that Angry Birds came back? Oh, I didn't even notice that. Yeah, Angry Birds is brought back thanks to 2022. All right, let's roll down the hill. Are you Mark? Get set, go. Hey, wait for me. Game Pig is the winner. Redbird is the loser. Well, we'll catch that next time. Oh boy, I cannot wait to eat some eggs. Don't you even think about it. Ah! Yeah, you so loser birds. Redbird gave it a second shot. I'll say why not. Ow! Ha ha!